Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio. Welcome back to the Nigerian Nomad channel. For you guys that don't know who I am a first generation Nigerian American that relocated to Lagos, Nigeria about 5 years ago, and I just vlog about lifestyle, real estate, agriculture, and any type of interesting thing that I have going on in Nigeria. So today, I want to talk specifically about, to the people who own shortlets in this location. Lekki Phase 1 area and surrounding areas, Ikoyi, Victoria Island, and definitely Ikeja. So if you own shortlet properties in those locations, I have an amazing opportunity to share with you. But before I go further, just in case you guys have not been watching my channel, what we did is we launched a platform called nomadhomestays.com. The goal of this platform is to connect quality guests with quality shortlet owners. So we focus solely on pre-verified properties. So that means we personally go and pre-verify the property to make sure that it matches the standard that people want before we list it on our sites. And when it gets listed on the site, it gets a pre-verified badge. If you go on our site and it does not have the pre-verified stamp, then it's still a decent property, but we have not gone and pre-verified it for ourselves. So that's mainly it. So we started this platform to just kind of help overcome the challenges of people looking for shortlet apartments and also help the owners of shortlet apartments get quality guests. We are solving local problems with local solutions that like these big platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com, Expedia.com cannot really do at the way that we are doing it. So if you are interested in booking a shortlet or listing your site, definitely check out that website. All right, if you're still watching this video, that means you own a shortlet properties in this location, or you have some sort of connection to the people who do, or you're an agent representing the locations in this property. If this is you, continue to watch this video. So I have a problem. So the problem is we currently have active clients right now and corporate clients that are looking to book furnished apartments in this specific location. And the truth is we do not have enough quality pre-verified inventory on our platform. So that's where you come in. We need your help. So if you have any properties in this location, I have an opportunity for you. Here's what I'm offering you. I'm offering you full professional listing on nomadhomestays.com, full onboarding support, and also we'll come and do the pre-verification on your site for free. So we'll come in, we'll do full inspection, we'll take all the photos, we'll capture all the location. We'll literally help you do all of these things for free on our site. And you get to have the listings on there and you get this pre-verified badge. So if this is you, we'd love to onboard you and it will be a win-win situation. Now, just to clarify this for people that are reaching out to me, your property must meet this basic minimum qualifications, which is 24 hours of light is a must. Clean water is a must, and a secured estate, gated estate with controlled access or security is a must. So you must meet at least these three basic components. Then the fourth one is the property has to be clean. So if you meet those, if you do not have those, don't reach out. But if you match those, we'd love to have you on our platform. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting us. And for the people that have patronized us so far, thank you so much for your patronage. That is the end of this video. So if you're an agent or if you're that represents this property or you're a property owner, definitely click on the link in the description of this video. That's where you get to put your address, how many bedrooms you have, location, and all of that stuff. And then you can also even upload the photos of your property. But if you need support, like if you need us to hold your hands throughout the process, we'll do full onboarding support for free. Now guys, this is only limited to like the first 10 people that fill out the form or reach out to us. And after that, we'll still be doing it, but it would not be free. At least the pre-verification part where we have to come into your site would not be free. But everything else is free. You can list your sites, you can do everything on our sites for free. So again, reach out if you're interested and we would love to have you be a part of this community. Again, nomadhomestays.com, check it out, browse through the website, see what the platform is all about. Some quick unique things about this platform that you guys will like. We have integrated WhatsApp communication and people can actually pay in local currency or any foreign currency. And there's also an agent network that we're building that would also be helping you promote your apartment. So if you're like a serious shortlet owners that want a lot of direct bookings, quality clients, definitely you would want to make sure you're on nomadhomestays.com. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And lastly, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.